how to delete your WeChat channel. Hello guys, in this video you would learn how you can delete your WeChat channel. So one thing you must note about WeChat channels is that it is restricted, or it is based on your region. All right, it is region based. There are certain specifications that you would have depending on your region. So for my region, before we go further, actually, let's launch the application. So after launching the application and you're brought to the chat page automatically, you must note that, like I said earlier, deleting WeChat channels, creating a WeChat channel, you will have based on your region. So for certain regions, you cannot create a channel, right? For other regions, you can. For example, in my region, I cannot create a channel and I cannot delete a channel. But for you, if you've created a channel already and you're thinking of how you can delete that particular channel, the only way to go about it is by deleting your account. Yes, you cannot delete your channels directly by yourself until when your account is deleted. And how do you do this? After logging in into your WeChat application, scroll down to the last part of the page where you can see some icons such as chats, contacts, discover, and me. Just click on me and then you'll be brought to the me's page, and on this page select settings. On the settings page, you can see other options, right, such as account security, guardian mode, etc. So select account security. On the account securities page, you can see other functions, right? Just scroll down and click on WeChat Security Center, which is the last option on the page. After clicking on that, you'll be directed to the WeChat Security Center's page. And here you can see the different options available, such as security safety tool, resources, etc. Just scroll down and select Help Center. Help Center is the last button on this page. So once you're on the Help Center's page, the next thing to do is to wait for it to load properly. And then once it is done loading, scroll down to the last part again, and here you can see options like about tenant, WeChat home, contact us privacy policy, WeChat safety center. Just click on contact us because you're trying to request for your account deletion or for your account cancellation. So just wait for it to load. So once you're on the contact us page, you can see the first option here, which is WeChat user feedback and support. So just click here, and then you will be taken to the contact us page. And then on this page, you can see the functions or the options for you to select the platform region. Just go ahead, select all of these, fill in all of these, select the category you fall under, and the category is account. All right, account cancellation. So just select the category, describe your issue, and then select the means whereby you want to be contacted. Scroll down, check this box, click on submit, and then your request would be submitted. Once your request has been submitted, instructions on how to cancel your account will be sent to you via your email. Follow the instructions provided, confirm the cancellation, enter your password, and then log out, and you are good to go. So this is how you can delete your WeChat channel. So I hope this tutorial has helped you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.